ASOS is an e-com fashion retailer based here in London. We have 17 million customers around the world. The idea for us is to augment and empower our developers to go faster. We need to get more features out to our customers. We ship fashion and we ship technology. It's a very competitive industry. So we are shipping code every day, all the time. It's no good having the code sat on the shelf. You want it unlocking the value, knowing that the features that you're delivering are resonating with your customers. We moved all of our repos over from Azure DevOps to GitHub to take advantage of the agentic capabilities baked into the platform.
90% plus of our engineers are using Copilot. The amount of code they're writing is really dropping down, but they're still spending lots of time designing the solution.
We're now creating code faster than ever, and we're creating more pull requests. And that's now becoming a bottleneck. So we built a custom agent that can analyze the pull request, break it down into different stages, and guide you through the review process.
Less time spent on toil means that our engineers are spent more on the value work.